Welcome everybody. Today's discussion is virtual lab, online lab for practicals. The online labs for the school lab, for class 12, 11, 10 and 9, the online lab is recommended by CBSE, that is OLAB. Today I am discussing about that and how we can use it, and basically here that you have to use this lab by yourself. Then how you can do that? This lab here, see the criteria, it is in front of you. It does not mean that it can replace the physical lab, it is not possible. Physical lab is always that you have to do that by hand, but here very good substitute, that is OLAB. In OLAB, all practical based subject almost here, that is here you can see that class 9, 10, 11, 12, and here the physics, chemistry, and here we will discuss about the biology, mathematics and English also there. The basic about this lab, that what I got here, you can see this. Suppose here is one topic, I'll discuss in detail. I'll discuss in detail here. Suppose here it is the studies on turbidity, one practical in class 12 it is there, one practical. Okay. So on that, what you will get that here is the different tab you can see. The first has theory is there, theory you have to read. This theory part you can use in practical notebook. The procedure is there, then how you can do that, the procedure if you want to write, then procedure is there. Here's animation is there, in animation form you can see this one. Simulator is there, simulator from I'll show that how simulator is used. Simulator is very nice things that in lab we are doing in many different criteria, many different strength, different types, all we can do that here is chances there. And we can see that the video, which is animation and video, I think you can understand the difference. The video you will get the real video. After that you can judge yourself by Vivusha and some other feedback resource also there. So we can see this here. We can look at here is a website www.olab.edu.in, that you have to type in your laptop or mobile. Here you can see this, that here in the Google, if you type that you will get it. And after that what you have to do step by step, that here I am showing that. So when it will appear, next just check that here you will get that this type of things, and here you have to choose the subjects you want to do. Suppose biology here, class 12 it is given, class 12 study of pollen germination, so many are there. Look at here this mitosis or onion tip, it is in your present syllabus now, and salivary amylase starch, and also in present syllabus that I am marking here, this too, and the physical properties of soil, turbidity, pH, microbial presence. Okay, in class 11 also there are so many practicals that is there, just check it out. Here you can see all this practical names are there. Distribution of stomata is there, paper chromatography also there, and also that rate of respiration and detection of sugar urine and detection of albumin in urine. So, these are in class 10 only one is there, asexual reproduction in amoeba and yeast. So, these are the practical. It means that here you will get suppose I take one example that if we click that in the first the theory part, that the so many things are there, from that you can write in practical notebook, that then next the requirement and all other procedures. Look at here the requirement. Here for example of any practicals, here I am showing. You have to choose that what I'll tell you, what I'll instruct, that only that you have to check and see. Look at here that all everything it is given. You can check. Next come here in that the simulator part, that very interesting. That suppose here you will get this type of things. Here you can see that wheat is there. Wheat you don't want to do. You want to select gram seed. So, gram seed here, number of seed here the 40 you can take, and the temperature also 25 as your wish. Then after that start that experiments, and in that experiments you will get that certain result. See that the water the rising, that is showing it here. It means that here I am showing one certain practical. Here is the function of the simulator. Here you just want to change it any other format, reset, and you go and change suppose mustard, and here the seed number you make maximum, and temperature here 35 degrees Celsius, and start the experiment. So, it means that in this way that you can get the different type of results which will be not same in every individual. So, it is according to your wish you can make the data and put in the table, the what data you will get in different temperature and the different number. Simulator is it is not always present in every experiment. So, which one it is there that you can use it. Okay. So, just after that here you can come in the video part. The video also is very prominent, and you can see that how it is done and exactly, and then there are some quiz which you can judge yourself. Okay. So, in this way that you can use it. In class 10 one that I want to show you, the asexual reproduction yeast, that here also the animation you can see, animation part is there. See that if you click the animation, that animation is there. So here is the animation. In animation you can see that the manifestation of the amoeba, and a real view also you can see. So when you can see both, then the complete knowledge you can gather. So here is a real view that is there. All right. So you can use this app. But one thing that when I'll tell you that which experiment you have to do, that only you have to check, and with the use of the simulator you can get the different data and you can write it according to your wish. No need to ask me. All right. So okay. Thanks.